Silver fish.
The mystery gasket. I looked on all the fish, all the parts. I bought this bearing kit hoping that it was going to
You are
happen.
dating yourself right there, sir.
The fish.
I will look on all the microfiche.
And this one here, you just put the nut on the, take the outside bearing off, then put the nut back on, and then take the whole spindle and boom, and you empty the guts out right there. So you just take, this nut is the one that held the inside bearing, the outside bearing in. So the outside bearing came off first. Take the nut off, take this bearing out, take that fender washer out, put the nut back on, and then pull the whole fucking hub and the guts stay right behind there. So now we just take the nut off that we're going to save. No special tools needed. Mr. Toyota's thinking of us. Not like the fucking Germans. How many tools you have to buy for your bearings, Mitch?
I only had to buy one, but I rented one.
This is all shit. I think this is safe. I gotta save this.
Look at all this
Carnage.
grease. Grease.
The life's blood right there.
Just seeing if this makes it rain. I don't fear that it does. I mean, this thing is dripping water is just sitting here, so.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Started.
Hey, Keegan,
Hey, what?
can you bring me one of those lights?
Yep.
Are you already going on with the new one, or are you still
This is
No, this-
taking the old one. That's how you gut the
Yeah.
inside of the hub. You
Just
put the nut
thread
back
that
on.
and it presses the whole thing out the backside, right?
No, the front bearings are here. They were on the inside of this.
Yeah.
So you take this nut off, take those bearings off,
Yeah.
take that washer off, and then you put the nut back on.
And it presses everything off.
Nope. Make sure it's got enough threads on it. Now there's an inner bearing inside this. In here.
Probably a dust cap too.
There you go.
Oh, there you
Wow, that's
It's field expedient.
go. Yeah,
Which
actually
turns the
spins
rotor.
fucking,
Isn't
the
that
whole
wild?
wheel assembly.
So it's
It's
indirect.
like an inverse hub.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Force goes through this to that cap. That cap is what spins, and this hence the cone washers. They got a ton of force on them, right?
Yeah.
You don't want them hitting the threads and torquing off. Torquing off.
It's crazy. But again, this is all engineered to be able to be done in the field with,
Correct.
with no stricken tools.
For 25 years.
Every 25 years.
The car's designed to last 25 years. They'll back it up. Bearing seal. Bearing. Japanese steel. Totori Hanzo.
Do we have a torque spec for that guy?
Yeah, that's not it. Whatever it is, that ain't it. It's too loose.
Cool. Looks good to me, boss.
So the trick.
Isn't that how people accidentally got born?
here.
I'd know a little better if I rotated the tires, but I guess it made a noise yesterday, didn't it? Like
I heard-
get low speed. To slow down. So that's better.
Is it better?
The other thing, when did I think it got shaky at like 60.
Nice. We did some good.
Listening for the turn there, you know, that's with wheel bearings.
Ooh. Yeah.
Grinding a little bit. I
How'd
should have
they-
inspected the bearings.
Yeah. How did they feel when you took them? They looked like they were still pretty well
They didn't
greased.
look too bad. Oh, I just greased them.
The
when
old-
I put them, when I did the bearings.
Oh, you greased the old ones and threw them back in there.
Stuff
Oh, I
back
gotcha.
in.
Okay. How'd they look back then? Did they look kind of?
They didn't jump out at me as bad,
All right.
but the noise had made a definite
Yeah.
impression on me. There's no noise here. So
Right on.
I guess it is better.
Cool.
I will say better.
It's better. We made it better. It was worth doing.
Yes.
It was worth doing. Okay, thanks for watching. Whatever this is, Wrench Time. See you next time.